Hello crazy people! So today I'm going to teach you how we can use a prism to create a rainbow effect in your photos, just like this one here that I have taken at my office in front of my white wall without a strobe, using just a constant light that you probably also have at home. Let me show you how. So you have to first find a prism or buy one. A prism is an inexpensive object that can help you to create creative effects in your photos and in your videos. This one I bought from Amazon and it only cost me $25, and it's from Newer, the brand that sells photographic equipment, so you can trust this one. So you have to position your prism where it's going to be completely still. I placed my prism on the top of my tripod. It was not safe at all, but it was my only option. I set up a constant light in another tripod pointing to the prism, and the light made the prism to reflect the famous rainbow effect that you see in some photos. The light that I use is a portable light that can be used as a flashlight, but I also have an extra head that is a LED light. This LED light is not even too strong, so even if you find a torch and point it to the prism, it may work for you. I feel that as stronger the light is, the better rainbow you will get. To get a good rainbow and to be able to reflect it nicely into your model, you also need to turn off the lights. The darker, the better you can see the rainbow, but you also have to consider that your photo may be too dark for a good result. So I took some cool photos of myself and brought it to Photoshop to edit, and now I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I edited this picture. This is the initial picture. I'm not going to take too long because this was a really simple editing, so we don't need to go too far. So this is the initial picture, and I started by doing some cleanup, and you know, I used the brushes to do the cleanup, you know, the healing brushes. You can use all those brushes here. That will be good to clean up your picture. It's just really a preference. Then I did a little liquify to make the shape of the picture a little bit better. Then I applied a curve layer. This curve layer was barely just to make a bit brighter. As you know, when I took this photo, there was not too much light. There was almost no light, so I could see the prism effect. So I had to put a little bit more light in this photo in the edit. So I did the curves, and here is a burning dodge layer, and that's really to make the highlights better and the shadow also. That's how I do create a little bit of contrast in the image. The burning dodge tool, if you don't know, they're right here. So dodge for the highlights and the burn tool for the shadows. That's how I do. The second layer is another little cleanup. You know, on the go, you find out that you may have to clean up a little bit more, and then so you will do. Then I applied this vibrance layer. You can see there is a mask here because I only put vibrance where the prism effect laid in my face, just for a little bit of more color. And then I pretty much finalized with camera raw filter. So if you go open the camera raw filter, you can then see what I did. I just changed a little bit colors and stuff, and then you can always come back to here and do more changes if you want. That's why I use camera raw as a smart filter. And then I finalized with look. This filter is a color lookup filter that you find on the color lookup filter. So I just chose one, and then I applied that. That was the Kodak 5218, Kodak 2395 by Adobe. And I applied because I wanted to give that vintage look, and I found that lookup filter was ideal for that. And that's it guys, this is the editing, very simple, and that was the final picture. I hope you liked it. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this composition. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done yet. Follow me on all socials so you can see other creations and tips I did. Like and share this video with your friends, and I may see you next week for another project. Bye!